In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an old TV effect to video in CapCut PC. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can quickly create that vintage television look with static, distortion, and retro screen texture right inside your edit. If you want your footage to feel older, noisier, or more like it's playing through an analog screen, this effect is a great place to start. First, let's locate CapCut's stylized visual overlay menu. Move your mouse to the top left area of the interface where the main navigation toolbar is located. From there, click on the tab labeled Effects. As soon as you do that, CapCut will open its built-in effects library, and you'll see the available visual presets appear in the sidebar panel. This is where you'll browse for the look you want to apply. Next, we need to find the vintage television style overlays. In the left side category column, scroll until you see the retro subcategory, then click it. This section usually contains effects designed to mimic older video formats and analog display styles. If you want a faster way to find the right preset, you can also use the search bar at the top and type Old TV. Then look through the available effect tiles and find one such as Bad TV, Noise, or DV Frame. Once you choose the one you want, click and hold the effect, drag it down to the timeline and drop it onto an empty track directly above your main video clip. Placing it above the footage ensures the visual effect overlays your original video properly. Now it's time to fine-tune the look so it matches your clip. Click on the purple effect block in the timeline, then drag its right edge until it matches the full duration of your video. This is important because if the effect block is too short, the old TV look will disappear before your clip ends. After that, move to the top right settings panel under the Effect tab. Here, look for a slider labeled Texture or Noise. Dragging this to the right will increase the amount of static grain and help sell that aged television appearance. You can also adjust the speed slider to control how quickly the distortion lines and interference move across the screen. A slower setting may feel subtle and atmospheric, while a faster one can create a more aggressive, glitchy style. That's it. You've opened the effects library, gone into the retro category, added an old TV style overlay to the timeline, and adjusted the texture and speed settings to shape the final result. And just like that, your video now has a classic vintage TV effect in CapCut PC.